Ronald Reagan's presidency was defined by conservative principles known as Reaganomics, aimed at revitalizing the economy. In his post-presidential years, he authored an autobiography and delivered numerous speeches. Later in life, Reagan confronted personal challenges, including an Alzheimer's diagnosis, yet he actively engaged with family and friends, showcasing remarkable resilience in the face of health struggles. Ted Kennedy, another influential figure of the time, served as a U.S. Senator for decades, fervently advocating for progressive causes. His contributions to healthcare and education reform profoundly shaped American society. In addition, Kennedy passionately fought for civil rights and healthcare reform, playing a pivotal role in enacting landmark legislation that significantly enhanced the lives of many Americans, extending his influence beyond just politics. Meanwhile, George H.W. Bush significantly impacted international relations, notably aiding in the conclusion of the Cold War and leading a multinational coalition during the Gulf War. His leadership emphasized a commitment to global stability. Following their presidencies, Bush and Reagan sustained their commitment to public service, engaging in charitable initiatives and reflecting on their extensive experiences. Their legacies continue to motivate future generations. O'Neill famously stated, "All politics are local," emphasizing the crucial role of grassroots connections in shaping national policy, which underscores his belief in the importance of local impacts. After his retirement in 1987, O'Neill penned his autobiography, offering candid insights and personal stories that reveal the human side of a seasoned politician. Despite retiring, O'Neill remained influential within Democratic circles, sharing his insights and shaping discourse within the party as an esteemed elder statesman. Beyond electoral politics, Jackson's influence expanded through the creation of the Rainbow Push Coalition, an organization dedicated to advocating for civil rights. This coalition plays a vital role in amplifying marginalized voices. Throughout his career, Jackson addressed pressing issues such as police brutality and systemic racism, drawing attention to the ongoing struggles encountered by African Americans today. His compelling speeches have galvanized communities toward change. Importantly, Jackson's legacy is not limited to the past. He remains an influential voice in the civil rights movement, advocating for equality and justice. His enduring impact exemplifies resilience in the fight for civil rights. Walter Mondale's tenure as the 42nd Vice President, coupled with his advocacy for social justice, highlights a steadfast commitment to progressive values in American politics. His legacy continues to shape contemporary discussions on civil rights. Mondale's groundbreaking presidential campaign, featuring Geraldine Ferraro as the first female running mate, signifies a pivotal moment for gender equality in politics, despite their eventual defeat to Ronald Reagan. In a different sphere, Jack Kemp's unique journey from professional athlete to politician illustrates a diverse approach to American leadership, where sports and politics converge to shape public policy. Kemp's emphasis on housing policies signified practical solutions for urban challenges, showcasing his commitment to community revitalization and economic advancement. His tenure was characterized by bipartisan support for housing initiatives. The Kemp-Roth tax cut legislation, co-sponsored by Kemp in 1981, lowered income tax rates and laid the foundation for Reaganomics, impacting economic policy well into the 1990s. Even after his congressional career, Kemp's lasting influence on conservative thought was evident as he remained active in sharing his insights on economics and public service through consulting and speaking engagements. Dukakis's governorship was distinguished by significant economic growth, famously termed the Massachusetts Miracle, reflecting his effective leadership and setting the stage for his future political aspirations. In the 1988 presidential race, Dukakis became the first major party nominee with Greek Orthodox heritage, highlighting the importance of diversity in American politics and representing a notable shift in the political landscape. Following his political career, Dukakis transitioned into academia, teaching political science and advocating for a data-driven approach to governance. His influence transcends politics, significantly impacting public policy through education.